Tammy Slaton continues to shock fans and silence critics as she shares even more stunning full-body photos that reveal the incredible outcome of her latest skin surgery. The 1000 lb Sisters star, who has battled obesity, addiction, and multiple health crises over the years, is now proudly flaunting the results of her transformation on social media. Her latest updates highlight not only her shrinking frame but also the impact of her recent skin removal procedure, which has been one of the most talked about parts of her weight loss journey. Fans of the TLC show have followed Tammy for years, watching her struggle through countless setbacks before finally finding motivation to change her life. Now, her posts show that she is not just surviving but thriving, and the jaw-dropping photos she has dropped online are sparking huge conversation across fan pages and entertainment outlets. The new full-body shots show Tammy in a way many viewers never imagined they would see her. For years, Tammy was largely confined to a wheelchair, struggling to breathe, unable to walk long distances, and constantly in and out of hospitals. She has been brutally honest on the show about her fears, insecurities, and the pain of carrying excessive weight. Yet now, following her life-saving bariatric surgery in the skin removal procedure that came afterward, her frame looks dramatically different. Loose skin that once made her feel trapped has been surgically removed, and her confidence is evident in her bold poses and bright smiles. These latest photos are not the kind of close-up selfies that fans used to see from Tammy. Instead, they are full-body shots that highlight the totality of her transformation. In one photo, Tammy is wearing a fitted casual outfit that hugs her curves, something fans say they never thought they would see her do. She stands tall, her posture far stronger than in past seasons, and the surgery scars are barely noticeable under her clothing. Supporters flooded the comments with praise, calling her an inspiration and thanking her for showing the raw, real side of post-surgery life. Many noted how much healthier and happier she looks now compared to her early years on 1000 lb Sisters, when she often clashed with her siblings and struggled to accept help. Another set of photos captured Tammy enjoying a day out, walking unaided and appearing more active than ever. Viewers remember vividly when even a trip to the mailbox left her gasping for air and struggling with her oxygen tubes. To now see her confidently stepping out without those restrictions has left many fans emotional. The skin removal surgery clearly boosted not just her physical comfort but also her ability to engage in daily activities without pain. In the comments section of her post, followers pointed out the glow in her face, suggesting that her newfound freedom has reignited her inner joy. Tammy's journey to this point has been anything but easy. During the earlier seasons of 1000 lb Sisters, she often expressed frustration, and her relationship with her family was strained as her siblings Amy, Chris, and Mishti tried to encourage her toward weight loss. Many viewers doubted she would survive after years of setbacks, failed diets, and dangerous hospitalizations. Yet her eventual decision to fully commit to medical intervention proved to be the turning point. After undergoing bariatric surgery, she shed hundreds of pounds. But the victory came with another challenge: the excess skin left behind. Carrying loose skin can be both painful and mentally draining for weight loss patients. It causes rashes, mobility issues, and often leaves individuals still feeling trapped in their old body despite massive weight loss. For Tammy, who had already been open about her body image struggles, removing that skin was a crucial step in reclaiming her confidence. The recent full-body photos make it clear that she is proud of this decision and finally ready to let the world see her progress without hesitation. The timing of Tammy's new posts has also added to the buzz. With fans eagerly awaiting the next season of 1000 lb Sisters, speculation is swirling about whether these moments will be captured on camera. TLC has built much of the show's appeal on Tammy's dramatic highs and lows, and her surgery reveal is one of the most anticipated updates yet. Many believe that her social media teasers are a way to give fans a sneak peek while the show prepares to broadcast the behind-the-scenes journey in full detail. Either way, the photos are driving engagement, with entertainment outlets and fan pages reposting them non-stop. Another major talking point among fans has been Tammy's boldness in styling. Gone are the oversized clothes and baggy outfits she once used to hide her body. Now, she is wearing fitted tops, dresses, and even bright colors that showcase her slimmer shape. For someone who once admitted that she avoided mirrors, these full body images are a powerful symbol of how far she has come. Some fans say she looks unrecognizable compared to her early TLC appearances, while others insist they see the same Tammy but with newfound confidence shining through. Her supporters also pointed out how much her face has changed since her surgeries. While the full body shots are the main attraction, close-ups from her posts reveal a sharper jawline, brighter eyes, and an overall healthier glow. In earlier years, Tammy's face was often swollen from fluid retention, and her expressions showed pain and exhaustion. Now, her smile is wider, her skin looks clearer, and her energy appears transformed. It is no wonder that fans are describing her as radiant and calling these updates jaw-dropping. But Tammy's success story has also reignited debates. Online forums are filled with discussions about how much credit goes to her versus the medical team, and whether she will be able to maintain this lifestyle in the long run. Critics point out that her history of relapses and clashes with family could still pose challenges, while others argue that the resilience she has shown proves she is truly dedicated now. The skin removal surgery, in particular, has been viewed by many as symbolic, a shedding not just of physical weight, but of years of struggle, pain, and emotional baggage. In the broader context of reality TV and body transformation stories, Tammy's progress is monumental. Few reality stars have been as raw and open about their lowest moments as she has. Her near-death experiences, the tracheostomy, and her time in rehab for food addiction were all broadcast for the world to see. Fans feel invested in her recovery because they witnessed just how dire things once were. These new full-body photos, flaunting her skin surgery results, serve as a kind of redemption arc that reality television rarely delivers so powerfully. Family reactions have also been a hot topic. Amy Slayton, Tammy's sister and co-star, has previously celebrated her siblings' weight loss and publicly said she was proud of her. Chris, another sibling, has been vocal about pushing Tammy to stick with her health goals. While they have not yet publicly commented on the new photos, fans assume the family must be thrilled to see Tammy enjoying her new body and embracing public life with such confidence. The Slayton siblings have long said that their biggest wish was simply for Tammy to live a longer, healthier life. These pictures show that she is doing exactly that. The online reaction has been massive, with hashtags about Tammy's transformation trending across platforms. Supporters from all over the world are sharing her photos, applauding her strength, and using her journey as motivation for their own health struggles. Many have commented that Tammy has given them hope to pursue their own surgeries, diets, or health goals. Even those who once criticized her for not taking responsibility in earlier seasons are now calling her an example of perseverance. At the same time, Tammy herself seems to be taking all the attention in stride. Rather than writing lengthy captions, she is letting the photos speak for themselves. This confidence, showing full body shots without feeling the need to justify or explain, is a major shift for her. It demonstrates a level of self-assurance that was missing in earlier years when she often lashed out at critics and admitted to hating her own reflection. Now, she is reclaiming control of her image and proudly flaunting what she once tried to hide. Looking ahead, fans are eager to see how Tammy's health continues to improve post-surgery. The recovery process for skin removal can be long and painful, involving strict aftercare and physical therapy. Yet from the look of her photos, Tammy seems to be handling the transition with determination. Doctors often warn patients about the emotional rollercoaster that follows such a dramatic change, but Tammy's radiant expressions suggest that she is more motivated than ever to embrace this new chapter. Her story is far from over. While the latest photos have given fans a breathtaking glimpse of her transformation, the journey of self-love, maintenance, and future challenges remains ongoing. But for now, Tammy Slayton has gifted her followers with jaw-dropping proof that perseverance, medical help, and inner strength can turn even the darkest struggles into moments of triumph. Her full-body photos are more than just images. They are a symbol of survival, courage, and the beauty of starting over. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more up-date news.